Frustrating, frustrating. Too many emotions right now because conceding an injury time goal against AC Milan. And that too when we are coming in this game after beating Manchester City, ending their 28 games unbeaten streak. Why there is so much inconsistency in this Manchester United team? AC Milan were brilliant in the first half. They pressed high, they were clinical, they came with a plan, they executed it perfectly, and United were clueless. United didn't know what to do. They were not finding their passes, they were finding it hard to keep the ball. Bruno Fernandes was failing miserably to find that final third pass. And McTominay, he was good at few chances and he tried to create ball, but AC Milan defenders were spot on. AC Milan were defending 5 at the back when United were defending, and United had no clue of how to break that ball. As a Manchester United fan, it's so frustrating right now to see Manchester United like this because in the last game we were so good against Manchester City, winning 2-0 away from home, that too against a team who was cruising currently, who were on top. And on that day we were here and right now we are here. And now AC Milan have great opportunity to qualify for the quarterfinals now because they have got an away goal. The next game will be played at San Siro, and it will be hard for United now to qualify because AC Milan have an away goal advantage. United could have buried this game and both the legs right now, today. The first opportunity that came for Manchester United was through corner, and Harry Maguire, anybody could have scored that goal for sure. That was just a tap in. And at that time, it looked like that Harry Maguire is so used to defending at Old Trafford that even against AC Milan, he is doing that. He's clearing the goal. Frustrated. And then in second half, United started brilliantly. That pass from Bruno was amazing. And more than that, I would like to appreciate this guy. This guy was so good, making that run behind AC Milan defenders. Tomori was clueless, and then this guy is here, Donnarumma is here, and still his header beats Donnarumma. The only positive from this game was Amad Diallo. He was so good in that goal. And after that, one more opportunity came. Again, tap in opportunity. All the time in the world, Daniel James had there. Scott McTominay passed. Daniel James failed to score a goal. AC Milan could have won this because United was so poor in the first half. In the second half, United tried to make few more chances and they were successful in doing it, and AC Milan were finding it hard to make final third passes, but at last that goal came, which was United scared of. From the starting of the game, United were playing so cautious that they should not concede goal, they should not concede goal. And at last, what happened? They have conceded a goal. Brilliant header from Kerr. And Scott McTominay, I don't know what he was trying to do. Maybe he could have challenged Kerr at that point of time because he was right standing and just looking at him like this. And now AC Milan have an advantage. Why Manchester United is so inconsistent, and this inconsistency is stopping them from progressing, from making few steps ahead. One day we make 3 steps ahead, we go 3 steps ahead, and next day we are back where we were. This was my match analysis for Manchester United versus AC Milan. Let me know in the comment section what was your reaction when Manchester United conceded that goal, which have stopped them from winning this fixture, and now it will go to second leg where it will be decided who will go to the quarterfinals. I hope you loved this video. Let me know in the comment section your reaction. And I'll be back soon with my next video. Till then, stay home and keep watching Sports Geek.